Choosing the best 5 plasma cutting machine for your workshop is essential for achieving precise, efficient cuts and maximizing productivity. Plasma cutting technology is widely used for cutting various types of metals, and selecting the right machine can significantly impact your workflow. Whether you are working with thick steel or thinner sheet metal, the right plasma cutter will ensure high-quality results while saving time and effort. In this video, we'll explore the key factors too. Product number 1. Lotos Non-Touch Pilot Arc 50A 110 by 220 voltage. The Lotos LTP5000D is a non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter designed for cutting stainless steel, mild steel, alloy steel, aluminum, and copper, without ever touching the tip to the metal surface. That means longer tip life, cleaner cuts, and minimal slag. Key features and benefits of Lotos Non-Touch Pilot Arc 50A 110 220 voltage. Dual voltage capability. Whether you're working in your home garage or a pro shop, this cutter automatically adapts to 110V or 220 voltage, no need to mess with converters. Plug and play power. Non-touch pilot arc. The pilot arc starts without direct contact, making it perfect for cutting painted, rusty, or rough surfaces, a huge time saver and boosts consumable life. Clean, precise cuts. You can cut up to 1/2 inch clean and 3/4 inch max. This thing eats through metal like a beast, clean edges, no warping, no drama. Compact and portable design. At only 26 pounds, it's super lightweight with a durable handle. Move it around the shop or throw it in your truck, no back pain included. With over 3,000 plus ratings on Amazon and an average of 4.4 out of 5. Pros of Lotos Non-Touch Pilot Arc 50A 110 by 220 voltage. Dual voltage, 110 voltage or 220 voltage. You can use this in the field or easily take it to a different place with a heavy-duty extension cord, and it will get to work. By the way, most reviewers say it's the best 110 voltage plasma cutter on the market. But, of course, it all depends on what you need it for. Small. This is minor and weighs less than my daughter's chocolate lab. It does not run around nearly as much and does not need to play catch with a slobber-filled, shaky doll. Pilot arc is great for working with rusty and dirty metal. I like this because the stuff I will cut will not get sanded or buffed before cutting. It will just be thrown on the sawhorses and cut, then some cheap paint, and it goes to the range. Cons of Lotos Non-Touch Pilot Arc 50A 110 by 220 voltage. Ground clamp. This thing is short, this must be one of the places they script on to save money. All I have to do to fix this is to make a new one or order a longer one for a different machine and hook it up. No problem, just a pain in the butt. Air gauge. The gauge is not marked in SI, which is wrong if they sell it in the USA. We need to have the exact measurements to know what is going on. Product number 2. Best Arc 7th Generation 50A 110/220 voltage. The Lotos LTP5000D is a powerful, dual-voltage plasma cutter that works with both 220/240 voltage and 110 voltage outlets using an adapter. Unlike others that boost up from 110 voltage, this one is built to handle high voltage and then scale down, giving it a more dependable, solid build. A key upgrade is the digital air pressure gauge with English readouts, replacing the old dial. While digital gauges fluctuate, setting the pressure under load, like at 70 psi while cutting, gives great results. We tested this on a plasma CNC and it performed flawlessly on 240 voltage. Later, it cut angle iron just fine on a 110 voltage wall outlet. Customer service is responsive and helpful. Overall, it's reliable and well worth the price. Pros of Best Arc 7th Generation 50A 110 by 220 voltage. Pilot arc and dual voltage, 110/220 voltage. Most users report seamless cutting through 1/2 inch steel on 220 voltage, and consistent performance on standard 110 voltage outlets. Great for workshop flexibility. Large LED display, easy-to-read 7th-gen digital screen shows current settings in clear English, enhancing user control and visibility, even in noisy shop environments. Pilot Arc Plus Air Sensor enables non-touch ignition, especially useful for cutting painted or rusty metals. Affordable, as one cheap plasma cut review noted, it's notably solid for the price point. Cons of Best Arc 7th generation 50 ampere 110 by 220 voltage. Build quality concerns. Some reviews hint at typical issues with budget plasma cutters. Connectors and components aren't industrial grade. Airflow and consumable wear. Higher current and extended use may hasten consumable burnout. Regular maintenance and quality air filtration are essential. Learning curve. First-time users may find the digital interface and pressure/amp settings tricky to dial in without referencing the manual. Number 3. Built Hard 110V/220V Plasma Cutter. The Best Arc BTC500DP 7th generation plasma cutter offers impressive performance and modern features at an affordable price. Designed with IGBT inverter technology, it supports dual voltage, 110V/220V, and delivers a strong 60% duty cycle, making it ideal for both home workshops and light professional use. It can cleanly cut up to 1/2 on 110V and 5/8 on 220V, handling a wide range of metals like stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and copper. The non-touch Pilot Arc allows safe ignition without direct contact, extending consumable life and reducing spark splatter. Its digital/analog combo display is user-friendly, offering access to 2T/4T cutting modes and adjustable post-flow settings. With built-in air regulation, air filtration, and safety protections like overheat shutdown and automatic voltage compensation, it ensures stable and safe performance. Pros: strong cutting power, up to May 8. Dual voltage support, 110V/220V. Digital display with advanced settings. Built-in air filter and regulator. Safety features included. Cons: requires learning advanced settings. Consumables may wear faster under heavy use.